guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Choerline and we are back with another video. You guys, as I am talking in this video, I'm very sad. So all of my footage that I recorded on this hair, including everything, basically me installing it, everything got deleted. Not even deleted, everything was corrupted in my SD card. I don't know, you guys. It has been a trying moment for me, but we're trying to prevail. So everything, first impressions, installing it, styling it. I mean, it's not really that much to style it, but everything got messed up in the SD card. So we're back again, and I'm just gonna give you guys a quick little update on this hair and talk more about this hair. So this hair is a deep wave closure 5x5 lace closure. So this is my first time trying out a 5x5 lace closure. I went on Aliexpress, which is now expensive, by the way. Aliexpress prices have like increased, like yesterday's price is not today's price, or however they say it. So I got this hair. This is a 22-inch 5x5 closure. I did the installation myself. You know, I'm not a professional, but your girl tried, okay? So y'all could hit up my salon. You know, we don't do baby hairs over here because I don't know how to do them. But yeah, this is the hair, 22 inches, deep wave, I think I said it was. This is not really the curl pattern that I was looking for, but nonetheless, this is the hair that I got. Shipping did not take too long. I'm happy. Got it, you know, ASAP, because you know that's how Aliexpress they do it. So this is the hair. I did again install it myself. One thing I really like about this wig right here is the clip on the side, the hair clip. I can just like clip it into my braids, so you know the little edges are protected. It's not tugging or pulling on my hair, so that's amazing. You know, I'm giving my edges a break. This is what the curling pattern, the curl pattern is. Hopefully y'all could see. So I paid $141 for the hair. Shipping was, you know, very quick and easy. When I got this hair, I bleached the knots just a little bit because I always tend to over bleach, so I didn't even leave it on for that long. I let it air dry and then I did the installation myself. I just used mousse, and I just put mousse all over the hair and to get the curls. So this mousse, it doesn't make the hair crunchy, it just gives it a nice soft, you know, moisturized type of look. So I do like that. This is really good mousse. The Nairobi mousse is really good. One thing I am gonna say is you can kind of see the line of demarcation, kind of, sort of. This is the closure part, right? And then this is the bundle. So like you could kind of see a little bit, like it's not layered how it should be layered, to give it a nice flawless, effortless look. But nonetheless, you know, the curls look really good. It's really nice. The ends are a little bit frail, as you can see here. It's a little bit fuzzy, poofy. I mean, even with me putting like mousse at the ends of the hair, one is more, but they're still a little bit poofy. I don't know if I want to cut the layers of the hair, because I wanted a 22-inch. I feel like it's not all the way 22-inch, maybe, in my opinion. I don't know. Maybe it is 22-inch. Maybe it is 22-inch. Who knows? The hair, it does get matted up, so I would have to put mousse or put, you know, water, spray it with some water and some leave-in conditioner every day just to revive the look. I've only been wearing this hair for like 3 days now, so hopefully I can last like a whole week or 2 weeks with it on just like this. I did do the ball cap method per se, just up here. So I just want to show you guys an up close of the lace. As you can see, I'm not that great, but you know, we make it do what it do around here. So this is where this little part right here, I was trying to, you know, try to fix it to the best of my ability. But this little part here, I try to do a little swift, a little slip back, a little edge. But yeah, you guys, so far so good. Look at this. And I did plug it myself to the best of my ability to make it look a little bit seamless. But yeah, this is the wig. This is the closure, the 5x5. So from here to here, so you have a good amount of parting space. You could still do like a side part on either side. You could still do different types with the 5x5 right here, which is not bad at all, and I really truly do appreciate it. Yeah, like it's not going anywhere. I can show you guys the clip. The clip doesn't really bother me, so yeah, Yeah, my edges are breathing. Thank God for Jesus. Thank God for Jesus. Yes, so that is it. You guys, the lace is super thin. It is melting-ish, okay? Do you see the lace? I mean, you can't see the lace, I ain't gonna lie. But the lace is really, really thin. Like, it was really, like, easy to go ahead and pluck out what I needed to pluck out to make it look like this. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, good job on the lace. The description stated that the hair was 180% density. I'm getting 150, not 180. So now for my first initial thoughts and first initial ratings, I would give it a 7 out of 10. I mean, it's not bad for the price that I paid for. You know, it's nice. You know, it's nice. I will leave the link down below for anybody who's interested in, you know, getting this hair or looking at other reviews if you're in the market for a nice deep wave curly 5x5 wig. Your girl is happy, okay? I'm loving a 5x5. Like, I was skeptical. I was like, I don't know, but you guys, like, I love it, okay? I love it, okay? She's happy. She's happy. She's happy. Leave me alone. I'm happy. So yeah, you guys, that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, you know, comment down below and I'll do my best to answer them as quickly as I can. But that is the end of this video. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and like I always say, put God first and you will never be last. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.